Hi, in this video we will show you, how can you use the powerful Ajaxify features to load dynamic contents on cached pages. In this case we have an Elementor-based WooCommerce webshop, which has been already optimized. As you can see, the cached page performs pretty well. But for logged-in visitors, WordPress will load the unoptimized page by default. To improve the speed for logged-in customers, we need to enable caching for logged-in users. However, if we simply enable logged-in cache, Swift Performance will create separate cache for every users, which can take a lot of time, and needs a lot of space as well. So we should also enable shared logged-in cache. In that case every visitors will get the same cached page. It is good, because it can be pre-builded quickly, don't need too much space, and your site will be loaded fast for logged-in users as well. Save settings, rebuild the cache, and see what we get now. Pre-build is already running. And it has been finished. Let's refresh the page. Now the admin bar is missing, so it was loaded from cache. But if you check the menu, you can see the register and login links are visible, even if we are logged in. We have also a featured products section, which contains the best-selling products. It can be also changed, so it will be good if that part won't be cached as well. So we need to go back to settings, and on the plugins tab we need to enable lazy load Elementor widgets feature. If we enable this option, every Elementor widgets will get a new option to lazy load them. Now go to Page Editor, and edit the home page. Edit the header section. Here is a Jetpack auth links widget. Select it, then go to Advanced tab, and enable lazy load for the widget. Now go down to the featured products section. There is a shortcode which loads the best-selling products. Go to the Advanced tab and enable lazy load for this as well. Now update the page, let Swift Performance to regenerate the cache, and check what we get now. The cache has been already generated. So go back to the site and refresh the page. The lazy loaded widget is blurred until the Ajax request finishes. Then we can see my account and log out, instead of register and log in, because we are already logged in. Our best-selling product shortcode has been already loaded as well. Let's run Page Speed Insights again. As you can see, Ajaxify won't affect the speed, the scores are still all green. If you don't like the blurred placeholder, you can change it in Ajaxify settings. Go to Caching tab, then Ajaxify. Here you can select the placeholder. You can choose Show Cached. It will load the cached version first, then replace it to the dynamic one when the Ajax request finishes. You can choose Blurred, what we used in the previous example, or Hidden, which means the element won't be visible until the Ajax request finishes. Let's save the settings, and check the page again with Hidden Placeholder. Okay, the cache has been regenerated. Let's refresh the page. It looks a bit better now. You can also use Ajaxify for any shortcodes, Gutenberg blocks and WordPress widgets. You can also enable Ajaxify pricing for WooCommerce, which can be useful if you are using multi-currency shop and would like to show the right currency based on the customer's location or the browser language. Thank you for watching.